Hello, everybody. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also.
As you can see on the screen, property location, here is some attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. You can see on the screen details like room size, price, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 6. Category 7. Category 8.
The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
Surrounding. 8 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Links and offers are available online for this property, along with various plans and payment policies.
You can do so through the link provided in the description.
For more details, check link in the description. If you are facing any problem with this property,